Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to day 3 of our IELTS speaking course. Again, I want to remind you, if you're watching this from my YouTube channel, click on the description. You can have access to all the free materials, PDFs, audio files. So let's just start with today's question. Today, we want to talk about, describe a website which helped you to do something. So we have to say which website it is and how do you know about the website. So which website it is, how do we know about it, how it helped you. Again, we're going to continue how it helped you and why do you visit this website often. So let's start with introduction. I want to show you exact technique I myself use to answer this question. So I'm just going to start with a very general idea here. Then I'm going to use the word however to show quite the opposite. So let's read the first line. When it comes to learning English, there are so many websites out there that promise to help you. However, one website that has truly helped me is my teacher's website called My IELTS 9. So it's going to be easy to remember. Let's see what are the points that you have to remember. There are so many websites. This is what you have to remember. Let me choose another color. Yes, there are so many websites out there that promise you to help you. However, one website that truly helped me, remember, use the present perfect form, has truly helped me, is my teacher's website called My IELTS 9. That's a really good start. So continue using present perfect continuous. I highly recommend you to use one present perfect here, present perfect, and one present perfect continuous here. Sorry. So how? I have been learning English with him for 6 months. So I first learned about this website from my English teacher, Amin. You can say this or not, but what I really want you to say is this one. I have been learning English with him for 6 months. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just focus on this paragraph. Remember, there are 3 points you have to remember. There are so many websites out there that promised you to help you. However, one website that has truly helped me is my teacher's website called My IELTS 9. Then you can say, I have been learning English with Amin for almost 6 months. Take your time, 30 seconds, say it. Perfect. So moving to the next part, how it helped you. I always suggest my students to classify your answer into 2 or 3 parts. It's going to give you a guide. It is going to give you a guidance to follow. It's going to give you a path to follow, and you're not going to forget that. As you can see here, I put firstly, secondly, and finally. But what are the points that I want to mention is this. Number 1, we want to say, okay, it helped me to plan my English learning journey. The first word that you just have to write is plan. Please on a paper that you have, just write plan my English learning. Second one is download. So let's say there's a section that you can download. So that's second one, easy to remember. Number 1 is I can plan my English learning journey. Second one is that there's a section that I can download any file I want. And what is the third one? Online quizzes. So this is gonna give you a clear guidance to remember what you want to say. In order to get a higher score, every time you want to add a new idea, use the transition words such as firstly, secondly, finally. So let's start with the first one. Firstly, it has helped me plan my English learning journey. There are milestones, so that's a keyword you have to remember. There are milestones and deadlines to follow, like 7 days speaking course. Really good one. So for the first one that you have to remember, okay, it has helped me remember present perfect. Always use present perfect to get a higher score. It has helped me plan my English learning journey. Then you can say there are milestones and deadlines to follow, like 7 days speaking course. This is the exact course we are having together right now. Moving to the second one, the website has a section where the keyword that you have to remember is this one to make it a complex sentence. The website has a section where I can download essential files related to my learning. Then you can give example like PDFs, like audio files. So the key point you have to remember here is where. The website has a section where I can download essential files related to my learning. Finally, the website has online quizzes. So keyword that you have to remember, online quizzes. Again, because we want to make it complex to get a higher score, that I can take to test my knowledge and see how much I have improved. Okay, so let's quickly review what we learned. 3 points. Number 1, planning my English learning journey. Number 2, resources. As you can see, we said section where I can download. So download. And the third one, online quizzes. So what you have to remember for the first one, planning your English journey, you need to remember 2 key phrases, milestone and deadlines. So there are milestones and deadlines to follow, like 7 days speaking course, which is the example. The second part, I highly recommend you use the word where. The website has a section where I can download essential files related to my learning, like PDFs and audio file. And the third part, which is about online quizzes, please use the word that to make it complex. The website has online quizzes that I can take to test my knowledge and see how much I have improved. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Take your time. Try to use the phrases I taught you. And then we move to the next part. Perfect. Moving to the next part, how it helped. So let's read what I have written here. I visit my IELTS 9 often because I'm in not only, I'm going to use this structure, not only, but also. So let's see, not only teaches English books for personal development, but also not only, here is not only teaches English, but also I have to put this here. I'm just gonna change this later. But also introduce helpful books for personal development. That's the part you have to say it here. I'm just going to put this later there so you do not get confused. Give me 1 sec. Let me pause this video and correct it. Then we continue. Just 1 second. Sorry for that. So as you can see here, we can say I visit because I visit I visit my IELTS non often because Amin not only teaches English, but also, give me 1 sec. Yes. But also introduces helpful books for personal developments, not only teaches English. Okay. So additionally, the website keeps track of my progress. This is a really good structure. I highly recommend you to use this. This is a idiomatic phrase. Keep track of someone's success or progress. So I can see how much I have improved over time. Over time is another phrase you have to remember. So far, 2 points. Not only, but also, not only teaches English, but also introduces helpful books for personal development. And the other one is keep the track of my progress. I can see how much I have improved over time. Easy to remember. So overall, my IELTS 9 has been an invaluable resource in helping me improve my English skills. Pay attention. Has been invaluable resource in helping me. That's these are really important points you have to remember. Has been an invaluable resource in helping me do something. So at the end, I'm just going to use one EDM like Time is Gold website, like my IELTS 9, can speed up the process of language learning. Speed up is a really good phrasal verb. All in all, my IELTS has been an excellent website that has helped me tremendously. Tremendously is a really good word you can use in my English learning, journey. So overall, that's the plan we have for this question. Again, I'm going to give you 1 minute. I want you to get ready for this part. Remember, in this part, you have to remember only 2 points, not only, but also. And the other one is keeps the track of my progress. Additionally, keeps the track. So after 1 minute, we moved and we're going to check how we can improve this one for a higher band score, like band 7.5 or 8. Take your time for 1 minute. Perfect. All right, now we're going to move here. In this model answer, we're going to see how we can improve that one even to a higher level. So definitely we have to add some less common vocabulary. We have to add more collocations, more advanced phrases. So I'm just going to highlight them for you so you can see what we are talking about. The content is exactly the same, When it comes to acquiring proficiency in English, so acquiring proficiency, there is an abundance of websites. I just use the word abundance of websites out there, all offering to aid you in this endeavor. So endeavor is another good word you can say. However, one website that has proven particularly efficacious, remember, means effective. Not many students use the word efficacious. For me, is my teacher's website, my IELTS 9. Amin, my English teacher, introduced me to the website, and I have been using it for the past 6 months. So as you can see, we added 4 advanced phrases to improve our level. So the website has been exceedingly beneficial to me in various ways. Firstly, it has been instrumental. Remember, instrumental means really helpful here. In organizing my English language learning journey, the website provides specific milestones and deadlines, such as the 7-day speaking course to follow, which has facilitated my progress. Facilitated my progress is another good structure. Secondly, the website contains a section where I can download vital learning materials, such as PDF and audio files. Lastly, the website has online quizzes that allows me to, I highly recommend you to use this phrase, allow me to do something when you want to answer part 2 questions. And monitor my progress. Monitor my progress is a really good collocation. I frequently visit the website because Amin not only teaches English, but also recommend books that are beneficial for personal development. Furthermore, the website meticulously record my progress. Enabling me to see my advancement over time. In conclusion, my IELTS 9 has been an invaluable resource assisting me in improving my English skills, assisting me in doing something. Time is gold. Website like mine, I can expedite. Expedite means speed up. I think we have had exact word there. Look at here.
Expedite.
I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yes, expedite means to speed
Expedite.
up. And just one point, sometimes I mispronounce this
Book.
Book. Okay, so let's continue. To sum up, my IELTS 9 has been an outstanding website that has been instrumental. Again, I highly recommend you use the word instrumental in my English learning journey. So as you can see, these are the differences between band plus 7.5 and band 6 or 6.5. I hope you enjoyed this sample answer. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. And the book that I want to, let's not forget, the book that I want to suggest you to read for today is called Atomic Habits. Definitely recommend you this book. It's one of the best books I have ever read before. And I think you're going to benefit a lot reading this book. Have a lovely day. See you next lesson.